My name is John Glasser, and I'm the city director with an organization called Collision. And Collision is a ministry to students. Our mission is to unite, empower, and serve. These are students that are stepping up and saying, we're going to serve our peers. No matter what they think about us, this is going to be an opportunity to serve. Our goal is really that they know Jesus Christ, but we work through students. We're a student-led ministry. That's why we do it. We've seen over and over again students that maybe nobody was believing in, they start to believe in themselves. Man, I actually have a dream that can be realized. Without partners like Vern Eide, this doesn't happen. This doesn't exist. We're not a church, even though we're partnering with different churches. Financially, 90% of our budget comes from businesses and individuals. I love coming to work and knowing that every day my life's making a difference.
My name is John Fetzer, and I am the Director of Public Relations for Collision. What I have the opportunity to do each and every week is the best job I've ever had in my life. I get an opportunity to connect with kids, not only on a spiritual level, but on a personal level. So with Collision, we empower students to get trained up and to learn what they need to know about the Bible. But we also teach them how to get back out into the harvest and go and rescue lost people. I just absolutely love being able to connect with the youth pastors in our community, being able to connect with other businesses, being able to connect with students. You know, I consider Collision a community builder. And those students, they take what they're learning back home to their brothers and sisters and to their parents. And we're seeing families be changed because of that as well. Ministries like Collision, we understand that we can't do it without the church. We can't do it without businesses. We can't do it without educators. We need everybody to come alongside of us, and we come alongside of them and what they're doing to reach every student in Sioux Falls.